Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the installation of the hair that I just reviewed on this channel. You'll see the link above. If you do not see it, you can go ahead. It's going to be the last video after this one, before this one is posted, so you can go ahead on the channel and check that out.
You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
What I'm doing right now, I'm just going ahead and I'm braiding my hair. I'm doing everything from beginning so you guys can see everything that's going on. But before we get started with the video, make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. We're almost at 4K. The giveaway is going to be coming soon, so make sure you guys subscribe and like this video. You guys have seen how I do my hair on like a regular basis now, like too much. So I guess I don't have to really talk about how I'm doing my hair. It's very self-explanatory, so you guys can just watch and see. At the end of the video, I'll come back and tell you guys bye.
but I know this the end. Don't you won't see? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you all see? Think you know your girl's so funny to be. That's why you think I left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good.
So this is the end of the video. This is how the hair is looking. It looks pretty nice. It's just a little bit thin for my liking, but the hair is it's soft, and it's not very thick because it's 150 density, 150 density. But if you guys like this video, make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below.